And let's begin.
Okay, straight to English. Your right choice.
Let's begin.
Welcome to Straight to English channel.
Today we are tackling something truly stressful.
Oh, I know this one. That phone call, the one that makes your heart stop, where someone says your money is in danger.
Yes, it's a performance designed to make you panic.
A really mean one.
And these calls, they aren't just random. They're very sophisticated scripts, actually. They're built on specific manipulative language and a lot of psychological pressure.
So we're going to teach you how to fight back.
Our mission today is exactly that. We want to give you a kind of verbal shield. We'll break down the exact words they use, the traps they set, and most importantly,
Give you the strong English phrases to shut them down. Bam!
instantly. So let's start with their vocabulary. To beat them, you have to understand the official sounding words they use to, sound like they're in charge.
Okay, first one. The big one. Fraud.
Right. So fraud is simply criminal deception.
Deception. Like a lie.
A lie with a purpose. It's a lie intended to result in financial or personal gain. But here's the absolute irony. The scammer calls you claiming to be from the fraud department.
No way.
Yes, they are literally committing the crime they are pretending to fight. They are the problem pretending to be the solution.
That's just wild. Okay, next word. They always want you to verify something.
To verify just means to prove that something is true. It sounds perfectly logical, doesn't it?
Yeah, we need to verify it's you.
Exactly. But that logical sounding request is the trap. They ask you to prove who you are by giving them the very secrets they shouldn't be asking for.
Secrets they should already know if they were the real bank.
Precisely. And that leads to the third word, the one designed to make you feel completely helpless, compromised.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
It's meant to. If your account is compromised, it means someone unauthorized has gained control of your data. It's a term meant to inject pure fear.
So you feel like it's already too late.
And that you need their immediate expert help to fix it.
Wow. Okay, so now that we know the words, let's see them in action. Let's talk about Julia. She got one of these calls right.
Yes, her story is a perfect case study in how to fight back.
So set the scene for us.
Okay, so just imagine this. Julia is at home in London, just relaxing.
Maybe having some tea.
Perhaps having some tea. The phone rings. She answers. And on the other end, there's this very serious, very fast-talking voice. He says, "Good afternoon, this is David Smith from the fraud department at Chase Bank."
Instant authority.
Instant authority. And then he drops the bomb.
The scare tactic.
He says, "We detected a purchase of $1,200 for an iPhone in Lagos, Nigeria 5 minutes ago. Did you authorize this transaction?"
$1,200 in Nigeria. That's terrifying.
It's pure psychological warfare. The location, Lagos, Nigeria, is very strategic.
Where there?
It creates this immense geographic distance. It makes the threat feel alien, overwhelming, and utterly impossible for you to solve on your own.
You feel like you need their help right now.
Exactly. So Julia, of course, is panicking. She says, no, she didn't make the purchase. And that's when the scammer turns up the pressure.
Here it comes.
He tells her the account was compromised, there's our word, and that the transaction was, and this is key, pending.
Wait, what does pending mean? I hear that word all the time.
In this context, pending means it's happening right now, but it's not finished yet.
Ah, so there's still time.
That's what he wants you to think. He uses that word to create extreme urgency. He's saying, if you don't act this very second, the money will be gone forever.
That is just, it's cruel psychology.
Oh.
So he's got her scared, he's got her rushed. What does he ask her to do?
This is the absolute red line, the moment you must recognize. He demanded that Julia verify her identity by reading her full 16-digit card number and the CVV code out loud over the phone.
The CVV, let's be super clear about that. What is that?
CVV stands for card verification value. It's that little 3-digit security number on the back of your card.
Okay.
And this is so important. That number proves you are physically holding the card in your hand, which is why a real bank will never ask you for it on an unexpected call they made to you. They already have your details. They don't need that.
And Julia knew that. She paused, didn't she? She said something like, wait, you're the bank. Don't you already have my number?
That pause, that single moment of critical thinking saved her.
So what did the scammer do when she questioned him?
He immediately unleashed what I call the 3 cardinal red flags of a scam. And recognizing these is your best defense.
I bet the first one was that he got really pushy. He used words like immediately and right now.
That is the first red flag, urgency. If anyone is pressuring you to act immediately on a financial matter without time to think, it's almost certainly a scam.
Real banks don't rush you.
They respect your need for due diligence. Then came the second red flag, the threat.
Oh, this is the worst part. He got so aggressive.
He said, "Ma'am, if you don't verify right now, we will have to freeze your bank account indefinitely."
Indefinitely. That sounds so
Yeah,
permanent. What does that mean?
it means forever, without an end date. It's a threat of total financial exclusion.
And real banks just don't talk to you like that. They don't threaten their customers.
Never. An aggressive tone is your second huge warning sign.
But I have a question. What if the caller ID on your phone actually says Chase Bank? I know they can fake that. It's called spoofing, right? But what if you're worried it is real?
An excellent point. And that brings us to the third red flag, which is the technical trick itself.
Yeah.
Spoofing.
Yeah.
They use software to make the caller ID show a name you trust. Chase Bank, the police, anything. You cannot trust your phone's screen.
So even if it looks real, if they are urgent, aggressive, and asking for secrets like the CVV, it's a scam.
100%. The tiny risk of delaying a real confirmation call is nothing compared to the catastrophic risk of giving your entire financial identity to a criminal.
Speaking of identity, we should talk about the really, really big one, especially for anyone listening who deals with money in the United States, the Social Security number.
Oh, the SSN. Yes. This is a critical warning.
Why is that so much worse than a credit card number?
Because you can cancel a credit card. An SSN, your Social Security number, is like a secret key to your entire life.
Like a passport you can't change.
An excellent comparison. If a scammer gets that number, they can take out loans in your name, commit fraud for years. It's an absolute nightmare to fix. An unexpected caller asking for your SSN is the biggest red flag there is.
So what did Julia do? How does she get out of it?
She deployed the perfect defense, what we're calling the Julia protocol.
I love it. What was her move?
She took back complete control. She just interrupted him mid-sentence and said, "Listen, I'm going to hang up and call the number on the back of my card myself."
Yes, and you can just feel the scammer start to panic.
Oh, he completely lost it. He started shouting, "No, do not hang up. If you hang up, the money is gone."
And that desperation, that panic, is how you know you've won.
It's the sound of a fraudster losing control. The protocol is that simple. You hang up, you find your physical card, you call the number printed on the back, that's it.
Okay, this brings us to the really important part. You have to sound strong when you do this. You can't be polite.
You must be firm. So let's practice some of these phrases. Think of them as your weapons.
Get ready, everyone. Let's practice. So first, when they start talking, you demand to know who they are.
You say, confidently, "Who is calling, please?"
Then you deny their main point. I did not authorize this transaction.
You set a clear, hard boundary. "I will not give you my personal information."
And then you tell them what you're going to do. I will call the bank myself.
If they keep pushing, you shut that down. "Stop pressuring me."
Then, the final move, I am going to hang up now.
And if they ever call back, you can say, "Remove my number from your list."
Mastering those phrases is so, so important. And if you want more of these kinds of essential language tips, for real-world situations, you should definitely subscribe to Straight to English.
It's all about arming you with the right words. So, to wrap up Julia's story, she's safe. Her money is safe. All because she didn't panic, and she chose to verify things on her own terms.
And you have to remember, these scammers can pretend to be anyone.
Exactly. The same script is used when they pretend to be the police or, a famous one.
The Prince of Nigeria.
That old classic. The structure is always the same. Fake urgency, aggressive threats, and a demand for your secrets.
So let's leave everyone with a final thought, a way to test this in your own mind.
Ask yourself this. If a real bank called you right now, what single word would you use to describe their tone?
Would it be polite, professional,
or would it be aggressive?
hostile? And if the answer is anything close to aggressive, you know what to do. Hang up.
And call the number on your card. Don't miss out on these essential strategies.
Be sure to subscribe to Straight to English to stay informed and protected.
Your knowledge truly is your best defense. Stay safe and just. Ignore those strange numbers.